Alrighty, here's where we were, walking way down there, all along there. We didn't quite get to that. We saw that, okay. Now let's come back up over here. Now the man just came out of these trees here, little old fella. Well, somewhere in his 50s or 60s anyway. And for the way the surf's been around here, although it is a little calmer today, I'm impressed. Right out here, on one of those paddle boards. Really cool. Although he's on, oh, he stood up now. He was on his knees. Well, he's trying to catch him one. Oh, whoa, almost lost it right there. Come on, fella, you could do it. See, there's some pretty big waves way out there. Just getting the timing right. Get it caught, I guess. Come on, get you one. Ah, you get you one. Got him one. Got him one. Yes. 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 Sorry about the light, but the sun is shining right there. Ooh, look at him go. Hey, that little fella knows what he's doing. Wow. That's something else. Oh, now he got to paddle himself all the way back out. Look, he went all the way over there. Whee. Very good. Pretty cool. Yeah.